Namaskar. Ashish Mittal from Aarsun. A TV unit that I'm showing you now. Interestingly, TV units are one piece of furniture that we think about in the last. But TV is one place where you spend your time when you are relaxed and when you are watching your favorite show or your movie. And when the place is looking good, it definitely adds to the comfort level. This TV unit is 6 feet out and out. The depth is 18 inches and the height is 24 inches 2 feet. Now I'll explain the concept of TV, how this is used, how the sizes are derived, and what should be the optimum size for a TV. These days we have LEDs that are very slim. So the space on the unit is not very vital. So slim units are also very fine because generally these are used for decorations, to put some vases or flowers or some collectibles, unless you are placing the TV right on the unit. To place the LED, there are two ways. One is you are putting it on the table. The second is it goes on the wall. When we are placing the TV on the unit, then we have to see how much high the TV is going. When the manufacturer, the LED manufacturer gives you the size, let's say they say 65 inches, what they provide is diagonal size. From one bottom corner to the other top corner, they provide the diagonal size. So it's not the 65 inches like this, it's 65 inches like this. And the actual size is around 48 inches to 50 inches in length. So left to right, it's not more than 4 feet. So 4 feet unit, if you have, you can go for any size that is more than 4 feet. So when you are deciding for a unit, you'll have to get left to right and the height of the unit to decide on the TV unit. If the TV is on the wall, then this height does not matter. It can be lower or it can be higher also. But once you place the TV on the wall, then you can decide how much space you require below the TV and the unit. Accordingly, the size of the unit can be decided. Depth, as I mentioned, can be higher or lower depending on your usage, what you are going to put on the unit itself. There are three vital areas for a TV unit. First, the size in itself. Then you have the storage area. Here we have two big storages on both the sides. Here we have a drawer and the open area in the middle to keep the set-top box or a Wi-Fi unit, whatever you like. Nicely crafted and a heavy design in TV units. I'm sure this kind of heavy design you have not seen in actual work with the carving that I'm showing now. This one is going to Bangalore, teak wood and teak gold paint, and the work in itself is the artisan work, hand work that we are doing. And something I have been showing you in the past 550 plus videos. I've shown you sofas, dressing units, almiras, dining tables, TV units, temples, a lot of stuff in carving, and that is our forte. We make carving furniture, and we are not into plain or simple mica or this plywood furniture. We make in solid teak wood, and the color you can see is antique gold. If you don't like the antique gold color, you can go for polished colors like teak finish or walnut finish, and other colors are also available like copper finish, white and gold, and other finishes as per your choice and requirement. Sizes as per your choice, design is as per your choice. Anywhere in India you want the delivery, we do that. Out of India, we're delivering to most of the places. You can let us know where you want. We will let you know the charges and everything, and we can move forward from there. The work, you can see the heavy legs on both sides, the heavy carving. And this is the kind of work we are doing. On the sides also, it has got nice carving and a plain top. If you want carving on the top also and you want to put some glass on the top, you can get carving on the top also and place a glass, and it looks nice on the top as well. It's been quite some time I've been showing a lot of videos in actual, and these kind of designs are mostly available in catalog pictures. Catalog pictures are the software generated images that are done on a computer with the help of different softwares, and you will find very less actual stuff, the kind of stuff I'm showing you. On our website, arsunwoods.com, you will find section for all the items, all the furniture that is required in a house. And you can visit there and you can let us know whichever you like. And then we can discuss about the pricing and other delivery options. If you have any questions, please contact us. If you have any feedback, suggestion, please let us know. We'll be happy to hear from you. Thank you so much.